How to recover deleted text messages on your iPhone. If you accidentally deleted text messages on your iPhone, you may be able to recover them in just a few steps. First, open the Messages app. Then tap Edit or Filters in the top left corner, and select Show Recently Deleted. This iPhone is running an earlier version of iOS, so the recently deleted option isn't available here, and I can't demonstrate the process on this device. However, if your iPhone is running iOS 16 or later, you should see this option. If the option is available, select the conversation or messages you want to restore, then tap Recover at the bottom. Finally, tap Recover Messages to confirm. Once the recovery is complete, your deleted messages will be restored to the Messages app. And that's it. That's how to recover recently deleted messages on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and step-by-step tutorials.